Every year, nearly one third of the world's food is lost before it even reaches consumers. Perfectly good fruits and vegetables are wasted between harvest and consumption. And even when food is preserved, traditional methods often destroy up to 50% of its nutrients, compromising taste, quality, and health. At EL Arya Preserves Private Limited, we believe healthy food should never come at the cost of nutrition, taste, or convenience. Our vision is to bridge the gap between farm fresh nutrition and modern lifestyles. We are building a healthier future while creating sustainable livelihoods and reducing food waste. Our solution is advanced freeze drying technology, also known as lyophilization. It gently removes moisture while preserving the food's original structure, natural flavor, color, and nutritional value. First, the produce is rapidly frozen. Then, through a vacuum process, moisture is removed without damaging the food itself. The result is a light shelf stable product that is rich in taste and nutrition. Under our premium brand El Crunche, we create freeze dried fruits, vegetables, and cooked food designed for all consumers. From mango, strawberry, pineapple, kiwi, and jamun, to vegetables like drumstick and sweet corn. Every El Crunche product is made from 100% real ingredients. The moment you open a pack, you experience something unique. The crunch, the flavor, and the freshness of real food, preserved exactly as nature intended. No preservatives, no additives, no artificial colors. Just clean, natural, nutrient rich food with a significantly longer shelf life. El Crunche is designed for modern lifestyles for work, travel, fitness, families, and anyone seeking healthy nutrition without compromise. The global freeze dried food market is growing rapidly, with a projected opportunity of more than 4,700 billion rupees. We are targeting both domestic and international markets, including India, Australia, the United Kingdom, the United States, the UAE, and beyond. Our business model combines B2B and B2C sales with e commerce, exports, and white label partnerships, creating multiple scalable revenue streams. Our journey has already begun from incorporation and market validation to production, exports, and international expansion. In our first year, we are targeting revenue of over 6.3 crore rupees, driven by strong demand across fruits, exotic produce, and vegetables. Our projections indicate strong profitability with more than 120% rate of return, over 1700% ROI, and significant long term value creation. But we are building more than a business. We are creating a sustainable ecosystem that reduces food waste, supports farmers, empowers women, and creates livelihoods. Our leadership team combines decades of experience in business, technology, operations, and innovation, providing the foundation to scale globally. We are seeking investment to build our manufacturing facility, expand globally, and redefine healthy snacking. This is not just about food, it is about the future of how the world eats. El Crunche, where science meets nutrition and convenience meets quality. Join us in building the future of food. Pure crunch, pure joy.